This 2-year career program provides a comprehensive foundation of the basic theories and principles of heating, air conditioning, and heat pump systems. 1-year seniors will be considered if space is available in the program. Career objectives are air conditioning, installation, and heating technician, or air conditioning and heating helper. Students may also qualify for advanced placement college credit at Penn College of Technology. With higher education, this program prepares the student for success in such career fields as residential heating, air conditioning, mechanical technology, mechanical engineering, insurance consultant, and building maintenance. Students have continued their education at Orleans Tech, Penn College of Technology, Penn State Abington, and Thaddeus Stevens.